Hello and welcome to Lydia Hawk Designs. I love the crochet basket weave stitch. I think it is very beautiful. I particularly like it with this purse and the gaiter I made several years ago. Both of these patterns are available for free at lydiahawk.com. The basket weave stitch is just a series of double crochet stitches, but instead of double crocheting into the actual stitch every row, you double crochet into the post of the stitch of every row. I also love that the pattern is very simple. You start by chaining 19. After you chain 19, you yarn over, and in the third chain from your hook, you double crochet, and then you just go all the way down the line with double crochets, establishing your first row. So at the end of my first row, I chain 2, and then I turn, I yarn over, I double crochet into the very first stitch here, and then I yarn over, and I start by double crocheting into the front post. So that's 1. I'm going to do this 4 times, and then I'm going to yarn over, and I'm going to double crochet into the back post of the next stitch. So we go right into the back just like that, and then pull through and finish our double crochet. And we do this yet again 4 times because that's the pattern. 4 and 4. And when you finish, you get this really pretty purse or scarf or whatever you want to make. You can make a tote with it. You just have to make sure that the number of double crochets are divisible by 4 and 8.